Looking to upgrade your vehicle's lighting for style and performance? Discover the best LED pod lights that deliver unmatched brightness, durability, and versatility. Perfect for off-road adventures or daily driving, these lights ensure safer navigation in low visibility conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. NOVSIGHT 4-inch LED pod light. The NOVSIGHT 4-inch LED pod light is a versatile and stylish lighting upgrade designed for off-road enthusiasts and drivers who value both performance and appearance. Its distinctive X-line design not only enhances the look of your vehicle, but also ensures outstanding illumination whenever the lights are on. Offering remarkable brightness, these LED pods cut through challenging low visibility conditions such as heavy rain, fog, or nighttime driving, helping to illuminate even the darkest trails. The panoramic lighting feature provides a broader beam, ensuring wide coverage and better visibility during off-road adventures, which adds both safety and excitement. Durability is a key focus of this model, with an IP68 waterproof rating that guarantees protection against water, dust, and debris. Built to withstand harsh environments, these lights won't let you down when tackling rugged trails or unpredictable weather conditions. The inclusion of a yellow snap-on cover adds to its practicality by enhancing performance in foggy or stormy conditions, giving drivers additional peace of mind. Installation is made easy thanks to the plug-and-play wiring harness and comprehensive accessories included in the package, making it accessible for users who prefer a simple setup without professional help. With its combination of modern styling, reliable performance, and rugged construction, the NOVSIGHT 4-inch LED pod light is a dependable choice for anyone wanting to improve nighttime safety and driving confidence. Number 2. Auxbeam 80-watt LED pod light. The Auxbeam 80-watt LED pod light is built for drivers who demand superior illumination and advanced functionality from their off-road lighting setup. With its innovative spot flood combo reflector, this model provides the best of both worlds: a focused spotlight for distance and a floodlight for wide coverage. This dual reflector design eliminates issues like light diffusion, glare, and scattering, giving drivers a clear and reliable beam in virtually any environment. Equipped with 5 high-quality P8 LED chips per light, the Auxbeam pod light delivers an impressive 9,600 lumens and 80 watts of power, projecting illumination up to 905.5 feet. The inclusion of interchangeable yellow and white covers adds versatility, allowing you to adapt to various weather conditions without needing to invest in multiple light sets. Durability is also a highlight, with heavy-duty engineering that incorporates a scratch-resistant PC lens, aluminum alloy housing, and effective heat dissipation to extend lifespan. Built-in anti-flicker and EMC technology further improve performance by protecting both the lights and surrounding electronics from interference. Its IP68 triple waterproof certification ensures resilience against moisture, dust, and fog, with a breathing hole design that actively prevents condensation inside the housing. Number 3. Auxbeam Jeep LED pod light. The Auxbeam Jeep LED pod light is designed with Jeep owners and off-road enthusiasts in mind, offering a perfect balance of brightness, durability, and versatility. Compact yet powerful, these 3-inch pods feature automotive-grade P8 LED chips and a UV-resistant PC lens that deliver 4,800 lumens with a crisp 6,500K color temperature. Thanks to the dual-angle lamp cup design, light output is boosted by 30%, ensuring strong illumination without unnecessary glare. The flood beam pattern provides broad coverage with a maximum beam angle of 60 degrees, making it particularly effective in open areas, campsites, or dark trails. Installation is straightforward with plug-and-play functionality, a 10-foot wiring harness, and upgraded DT plugs that prevent short circuits while protecting the battery. The stainless steel U-shaped mounting brackets add flexibility, allowing drivers to adjust the beam direction as needed. Longevity is also a strong point, with an all-aluminum heatsink and compact design that support a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, reducing the hassle of frequent replacements. Rated IP68, these pods are fully waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to tough weather conditions. Number 4. Auxbeam Auxiliary LED Pod Light. The Auxbeam Auxiliary LED Pod Light is an advanced lighting solution crafted for serious off-road use. Its ultra-bright design features 5 high-intensity P8 LED chips and premium projector optics, delivering 9,600 lumens of powerful illumination at 80 watts. The TR, Total Internal Reflection Optics, ensure that all light is captured and directed with maximum efficiency, reducing stray light while boosting brightness and focus. With a combination beam pattern, this model offers both a concentrated spotlight for long-distance visibility and a floodlight for broader coverage, making it ideal for varied driving environments. An interchangeable cover system adds further versatility, allowing users to switch between white and amber light depending on road or weather conditions. This flexibility ensures better visibility whether you're facing dust, fog, or clear skies. Built for durability, the pod features a rugged die-cast aluminum frame, an impact-resistant PC lens, and a waterproof rubber pad. Its IP68 rating provides superior resistance to dust and water, ensuring consistent performance in heavy rain, river crossings, or muddy trails. Installation is user-friendly, with a plug-and-play wiring harness and clear instructions that make setup fast and hassle-free. This eliminates the need for specialized tools or professional assistance. Number 5. Auxbeam 120-degree LED Pod Light. The Auxbeam 120-degree LED Pod Light is engineered to provide maximum visibility and wide area coverage, making it an ideal choice for both professional and recreational use. Featuring an upgraded 12D corrugated lens design, this 4-inch driving light produces an ultra-bright 6,000 lumen white beam with a 60-watt high-intensity 50/50 LED chip. This combination ensures longer and wider illumination, enhancing safety during both daytime and nighttime driving. Its broad floodlight design is perfect for illuminating open areas, work zones, or off-road trails, ensuring that no detail is missed in challenging environments. Durability is at the core of its design, with an IP68 waterproof rating that guarantees dependable performance even in heavy rain or snowy conditions. The thickened aluminum heatsink housing supports efficient cooling, prolonging the lifespan of the lights to over 50,000 hours, reducing maintenance and replacement needs. Lower power consumption also ensures greater efficiency without compromising brightness. Installation is simple and versatile, as the pods are compatible with a wide range of 9 to 30 VDC vehicles, including trucks, ATVs, SUVs, motorcycles, boats, tractors, and more. This adaptability makes them an excellent choice for drivers who need reliable lighting for diverse applications, such as fog lamps, ditch lights, work lights, or backup lights. The robust build and efficient heat dissipation make the Auxbeam 120-degree LED pod light a dependable companion for outdoor adventures, construction work, or agricultural use. For anyone seeking a combination of powerful brightness, wide coverage, and rugged durability, this pod light offers an all-in-one solution that outperforms many traditional options. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.